Sister Bent, where are you? Sister Bent, come to me. Come to me. Come to me, man. Me say, come. Stand right here. Stand right here. Face the church. Wave your hand. Wave your hand. Hallelujah. You know in your heart, you and the man there.
Why you do it, johncro?
Drop me slip, no man. You done marry the woman out. Drop me skirt, man. Time is going.
Yes, the skirt is proportion.
It's not right, Brother Thomas. It's on the floor still.
You
crumpy, man.
Let me set the record straight. I am a pastor, first of all, that feeds the hungry. I'm a pastor that has a girls, a boys, and a woman's mentoring program. I teach empowerment on a daily basis. Yes, I'm a pastor that likes pussy. Can I say it again? I like pussy. I'm a real man. I'm real about who I am. And remember that God made woman for the man. So you phony, fake ass folk, when you're doing the things that I do in the community, then you got something to say. Other than that, on this Tuesday, fuck you.